Hey, it's Bridge and Jay.
Today we're going to be showing you how to make a s'mores blizzard.
So let's get started. First, you need to get out all of your ingredients and utensils. A ice cream scooper. Hershey bars. Honey made graham crackers. Vanilla ice cream.
And when you're done making it, you need 2 glasses. Cheers!
And you can't forget about our handy dandy blender. And also 2 to 3 ice cubes just to make
A blizzard.
the thing full.
Sliding.
Yeah.
No.
All right. We have already started
3 cubes.
by putting 3 ice cubes in the blender, right? Now we're going to take 4 scoops of ice cream since there's 2 of us. So yeah, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Next, we have a chocolate bar. Hershey's chocolate bar.
Open the
chocolate bar.
Open the chocolate bar
Little
and
pieces at a time.
break the whole entire bar, but break it up into pieces and put it in the blender.
Okay. Next is take the graham crackers.
So first off, open your graham crackers. Alright.
With pride.
You're going to take
Hurry up.
2 graham crackers, but you're going to break them into their natural state. Like so. Actually, break those in half.
Duh. So you got that.
Like, make sure you put it
And like the quarters.
in whatever these square shapes. You like squares? You like circles? Too bad. They're going to be squares.
Now for the blending. How do you work it? Alright, 5 minutes later.
Step, whatever next is, pour your thing into a glass thing so you can serve it to yourself.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. And comment more videos you'd like us to do. Make sure it's stupid. And if you make this, tell us how good it was. Because you know it's amazing.
And creds to Brady for letting us use
the hats.
his hat.
Brady Nolan, my brother.
Alright.
Peace out. Toodles!